This is our Trident ProTrace TW connector. You do have to remove the jacket, but it's a simple snap-shut connector, real easy to use in the field. And there's a couple of things that make it easier. If I open up the connector all the way, you will see there's some grooves on this back side. What that gives me is a measuring tool of how much jacket I actually have to take off. So you just measure that with your finger, grab your wire jacket remover, pop that off so you have your wire exposed. Once you have your wire jacket removed, simply insert into the connector, grab the two outer pieces and snap your wire together and you're done. So we have two holes for a splice and a third hole for a service connection.